Welcome to SKV Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Basalam, September 20, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. Third grade, we have 408. So 408 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Ninth grade, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column I, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Fourth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th grade, and 7th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Third row we have 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Second row and fourth row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come the cell. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then first grade, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 9 also here. Then second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 3. Column F, we have 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 can't come these cell. It will come in another two cells. Column G, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column G, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Sixth row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then fifth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 7. 8th row and 9th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 9th row and 10th row, we have 1. Column C also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column C, column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column C, column B, and 6th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. 5th row and 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 6. 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, then 7 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th grade and 5th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 9. 8th row and 9th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, then 9 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 8th row and 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column D also we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, then 3 is confirmed here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 8. 8th row and 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.